What's up, programmer? In this video, I'm going to explain operator precedence in C++. So, what is operator precedence? Operator precedence is when certain math operators have a priority over one another. If you remember back in school, you were taught that parentheses comes first, then exponents, then multiplication, then division, then addition, and lastly subtraction. This is known as PEMDAS, and you most likely used this before, especially with algebra. Well, in C++, the concept is pretty much similar. You have parentheses that come first, going from left to right. Then you have multiplication or division, depending on which comes first, from left to right. Unlike PEMDAS, multiplication and division have the same priority. It just depends on which one comes first closest to the left. Then you have addition or subtraction, depending on which comes first from left to right. Just like multiplication and division, addition and subtraction have the same priority. It just depends on which comes first from left to right. Now, I am going to show you some examples. In this example, I have a simple expression to begin with, 8 minus 9 plus 7. When we run the program, you can see that the result is 6. This is because addition and subtraction have the same precedence. Because the code is read from left to right, subtraction is used at first, which in this case equals to -1. Then comes addition, which is -1 plus 7, which equals to 6, the result. Now, let me show you another example. In this case, I have created 3 parentheses, and in each parentheses, I have created a simple calculation. Can you guess which of the parentheses is calculated first? As you may have guessed it, it will be the one to the left, then the middle, then the right. When we run the program, you can see that the result is 32. This is because the calculation into parentheses goes first. I have 20 in the left one, 28 in the middle one, and 16 in the right one. Then addition comes after. 20 plus 28 equals to 48. Then subtraction comes after that. 48 minus 16 equals to 32, the result. Comment down below if you found this video helpful so far or you have any questions you want to ask. Now I am going to show you a harder example. In this example, I have created 4 groups of parentheses. Which group of parentheses do you think will be calculated first? As you may have guessed it, it will be 9 times 3. When you have calculations that are placed inside another calculation, then the innermost calculation gets calculated first. When we run the program, the result is 31. Breaking down this example, 9 times 3 is calculated first, and it equals to 27. Then, you have the second parentheses, which will become 8 times 5 minus 27. Multiplication has higher precedence than subtraction, so 8 times 5 is 40. Now you have 40 minus 27, which becomes 13. Then, in the third parentheses, we have 7 times 7 plus 13. Multiplication has higher precedence than addition, so 7 times 7 is 49, and 49 plus 13 is 62. Then we get to dividing, since it's on the right side of this calculation. We have a simple 2 times 1 in the fourth parentheses, which equals to 2. Now we have 62 divided by 2, which equals to 31, the result. I encourage you to come up with examples of your own so that you implement your understanding. Additionally, if you are going to be working with a lot of numbers in your program, you want to also understand how to typecast the numbers so that you can store certain values, which I will demonstrate in this video, so you will want to go watch that video next. Anyways, this is easy syntax showing you programming made easy. Thank you for watching.